Hey guys, it's Shadow Kisses, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. So I kind of farmed up a bit. Let me go run back to my farm, show it off. So basically what I did was I built this, got phosphor tabby slimes. I like combining them because then they spit out two different kinds of port, whatever. Hey, give that chicken back. And basically I went and like farmed a whole bunch of chickens. Get out of my face. Are they all still in there? Yeah, okay. And then I got these guys, which is great because I get tabby and rock slime, not slime, port, whatever. And then I've got this all ready to go for a different one. I'm not exactly sure which slimes I want to have there, but I figured that we can go out and explore a new area because I got a slime key, finally. I went and fed that giant cat slime until it exploded. It felt pretty good, in a morbid kind of way. Oh, and then I also got a silo. I got rid of my little garden here and got a silo. And then I've got the automatic feeder, the automatic plort collector. I don't have the automatic feeder on here yet, but that'll be the next thing I get. And then I've got two heartbeats, two heartbeat patches. So that's a good source of food right there. And then my chickens. Wait, how many of these do I need? 4, 3, 3? Oh, well that's pretty easy. Do I have enough? I think I only need... Give me the roosters. I hope it's not the other way around because I don't want to deal with that. Okay. Sorry, I'm clearing my throat and coughing. Like, my allergies are just horrible right now. Yes. Whoa. Holy cow. Well, that's something. Well, I guess I will just go ahead and suck up all this. I'll probably just get rid of the fruit because I don't think I have anything that eats fruit. Oh, yes, I do actually. Haha, you guys eat fruit. So I guess I will just load you up with fruit. There you go. There's a bunch of fruit. Now you got a bunch of fruit. Now leave me alone. I'm so nice. I'll fill these up with beets. And then I'll go put my carrots in there. Okay. And maybe I should get the automatic port collector on there, that way I don't have to go around and suck them all up. Oh god, I stepped in there. Those guys are so aggro all the time, I don't understand why. I feed you. You're in a nice little cage. Your poop's picked up for you, so you don't have to worry about stepping all on it, and you don't have to turn into the stupid sludge things. Those tar slimes are annoying. Like, they drive me crazy. So, when I wasn't recording, like, one of my slimes got out of the cage and turned into a tar. And it destroyed everything, and I had to pretty much start over. And that was frustrating. I think I will add more storage to that, but first I'm going to beef up my chicken thing. There we go. Vitamizer. It's 500. Oh my god. Okay. Well, that's gonna wait. But for now... Oh no, I can't even do that. Well, maybe. There's plorts in there. Since they don't seem to attack me. I'm gonna Take these chickens back. Thank you. Oops. What did I spit out? Give me the chickens. Chicken, get out of my face! Oh my gosh. Just stay in there and chill out, please. Here, you can have the fruit back. Yeah, be happy. I take care of you. You're like my children. I still don't have enough. Dang it. Oh well. Alright, I haven't been over here yet. I guess we'll go in here and see what is back here. Dangerous. Great. Oh, leave me alone. Ah! I can't see anything. Thanks for biting me, you jerk. Yes. Okay. Let me in. Ooh, what's this? Indigo quarry. Huh. I wonder what kind of slimes are in here. Box. Give me the box. I'll just hold on to those for now. What's in here? Okay. So far it's just the regular stuff that guy's writing the... Oh, what is that? A boom slime? They're cute! No, I don't want the pink slime. Get out of here. I also don't need a hen. There you go, eat that. What's back here? Ow! Jerk. Oh no. I don't even want to deal with that right now. What's over here? What are those? What are those? A rad slime. I want these. Quit exploding on me. Oh god. What's going on? Do I get radiation sickness from this? That's crazy. Oh. No, you don't. Well, I think that's probably a good number of the radiated slimes. Give me another boom slime. There we go. Okay. Another box. Explode. Thank you. Let's see. Chickens. Sorry. I really like chickens. Like, if I had a place of my own, I would totally keep chickens. Ooh, pretty sparkly water. Oh, what is that? I want one. A puddle slime? They're so cute. Where are the other ones? Give me another puddle slime. Only one? Where are all his friends? Oh, there's one. Puddle slime. It's the little things in life that make me happy. Okay. So, I think... Not unless there's more over here. This area is huge. That did not explode. Why is it not exploding? Thank you. Oh. Thanks. Yeah, you guys eat that. I don't want it. Go! Go up. Oh, I guess I can't. Okay, well, nobody give me radiation sickness. You guys will stay over there. And I will just go up. Thank you. Gold. It's over here. Another giant dude. Well, I don't want to deal with them right now. I know I can get slime keys from them now, but I just want to go back. Ah, boy. This is going to be dangerous. Oh, boy. And they're all angry. I don't want to deal with it. Now, hopefully, I can find my way back. Oh. I hope I don't drown. You can't drown in this game, can you? I guess not. Oh, give me the box. Nothing good? Guess not. I'll take you. No more water slimes? I want the puddle slimes. Ow! Ow! You stupid jerks. There's another box. No, 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 don't make me sick. Thank you. Okay, so how do I get back? Through here, maybe? Stuck on the wall. Let go. Okay, okay, I got free. I was gonna say, did I really just get stuck for good? Is this where I came from? Oh, it is. Okay. So I gotta go through here. Through the danger zone. Kinda scared. Wait. I don't think this is the right way. How do I get back? Help! I need an adult. I'm lost. Okay, I finally made it out of there. So we're gonna go back. And I'm gonna take my new little dudes and let them combine. Have a fun time. So I can get more plorts, so I can make more money, so I can expand my farm. And so everything will be fine and dandy. And I gotta say, like, as a person with OCD, this game is really satisfying. Like, because I can just farm away. Well, those give you a lot. Wow. I'm gonna put my little water slimes in here. So cute. Okay. And then I'm gonna buy the water tank just in case I need it. No, or not, because I gotta collect plorts. Fine, whatever. I'm just gonna stick the red slime, the rad slime, and the boom slime in here. Okay, so they eat meat, they eat veggies. So, get me some chickens. Not a rooster. Six chickens. Ooh, they're mad. They're angry. Ah. poop. Oh, perfect. I can take the veggies out of here. And put them into that feeder. Don't attack me. I don't have a feeder for that yet, but I can put it here. What happened to my beets? I only have one left. Oh, I let them sit here too long. They're rotting. Ooh, we're gonna break $1,000 for the first time. Okay, question is, should I buy the expanded area so I can have more space, or should I upgrade all of the stuff I have first before I do anything else? Okay, so I can't upgrade that. That's okay. Just go over here. Get rid of all this stuff. I broke $1,000 for the first time. That feels really good, actually. Wow. I am gonna add an auto feeder to this, though. That way I don't have to deal with these jerks. Auto feeder. There we go. Okay. So, what I need to do now... What do these guys eat again? Veggies and meat. Okay. I'm just gonna suck up all the quartz over here. Just to get them out of the way. Okay. And then I'm going to get these beets. Boom. These guys are intense and scary. Put some beets in there. I don't want to deal with them. They're freaking me out. Get those. The good news is it looks like I can stand way back here away from them. Not have to touch them. Okay. All these plorts. So rich. Okay. What is this? Overgrowth. It's expensive. Alright guys, this was a short episode, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!